Still spending days on your mobile app? So, why not earn some extra money? You decide when and where you want to work. On the go or while waiting for a bus or standing in a supermarket line. Just use the latest apps, websites, and games and get paid. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to make money with your mobile phone. You can even earn $250 per day using this method. But first, let me ask you a question. How would be your life if you earn $1,000 or more each and every day? Just imagine. Achieve your financial freedom, leave your 9-to-5 job, travel the world, own a luxury house, your dream car, obtain the peace of mind and fulfill your family's wishes. All the luxuries of life. Finally, you can live your dream lifestyle. I am sharing below in the description a very special and exclusive method to make more than $1,000 each and every day. Also, I am sharing other amazing apps to make some money instantly, and I am always updating them. So, make sure you don't miss out on that, and make sure you check the links below. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, make sure to watch till the end, remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I am always updating on new money-making hacks for free. Now, let's jump to the video. If you have testing expertise or are skilled at paying attention to detail, so this site is good for you. This site is called Test.io. Test.io is a site that pays you to test websites and mobile apps. To get started, you will need a PC and ideally a mobile device. It is very simple to register, just by filling in your first name, last name, and your email. And you will need to set up your devices, which you will be using on testing. Then, you will take a training course on how to do testing and how to submit reports. When you log into the member dashboard, you will immediately see the testing opportunities available to you. You will also receive an email every time there is a new opportunity to test. You can check the available tests, and you can accept or decline as you like. Once you accept the test, you will immediately see the amount you will receive when you complete it. You will also see the instructions you need to follow to complete the test. I advise understanding what the test is asking you to do before you actually do. After completing the test, you will have to submit the report or testing video as required. Then, Test.io will examine your work, and if it meets their standards, you will earn the necessary remuneration, which will be applied to your account. Test anytime, anywhere. You can do test wherever you are, from a couch in your dorm to a chair with beach views. Also, you can download the Test Now mobile app from the App Store or Google Play for mobile testing with Test.io. Another option to make money from Test.io is to join their referral program, so you earn money when anyone joins as a tester through your referral link. How much money can you make? The amount of money you can make with Test.io is based on how frequently you are invited to join in testing opportunities, and how successful you are at detecting flaws. You will get more invitations to test, based on your devices, skills, and interests. So, make sure to fill out your profile with detailed information to qualify you for more testing opportunities. Most tests pay up to $50. The most lucrative test cases often involve specific phones and locations. Typically, most testers will get at least 5 opportunities every day to test. So typically you can earn $250 per day based on your skills at detecting bugs and finding errors. Payment will be made monthly, on the 11th day of the next month. You don't need to reach a threshold in order to receive the payment, and you don't have to request it. It will automatically be processed. Test.io offers different payment options. You can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, PingPong, or direct bank transfer. In general, this site pays well. However, this site is not for everyone, since you will not be able to optimize your profits if you are not excellent at discovering flaws or problems, or if you do not have any expertise in user testing. Now, ready to take the next step to have your dream lifestyle? Make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.